This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, just go back. So I'm having the data. I just connect to data cities. Once I connect to the data, I'll take cities in India. Just I do double click. The data has been loaded here. Then I go for the sheet. Okay, in the sheet views, as I told you, you can see here. I should when I have to work on maps. At least I should have one field which is done by geographic, but I don't have like that. It is the cities is actually geographical only what I have to take, but here it has been not mentioned like that. It has been as a text format. It is there in the text format. I have to make the changes. So how I will make it? So how I will make that means just click on the cities nearby the arrow mark is the right. Just click on that arrow mark. So what you do, you just go for the geographic role. Once you go to the geographic role, okay, on the right side you can see all the options are there. In that inside India, all the state I've taken, I think. So it will be considered as state. So I'm just taking the state. Once I select that particular options, so automatically you can see in the dimensions the cities that logo has been changed into globe and automatically downside previously which was not generated the latitude longitude now it has been generated automatically. So now what I will do just I'll do double click on the cities. That's so once if I do double click on the cities, so automatically you can see it is getting loaded. Just I'll do unpin here. Just zoom out. Just move this one. Okay. I created like this. One second. 55%. 55 percentage and book fees 400. I think it is better. 55 percentage. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ 55% ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So now on the left side you see in the measures you are having the option called as sets. I just do double click on the sets. Okay, the sets is getting into this format, so I remove this. So actually the problem is what here I can able to see only one. I think only one state I can able to see in this place that is nothing but Delhi. Remaining everything I'm not getting at all. So I'll just drag it in the label also. I'll just show you that verify. I'll just verify that. That is nothing but number 5. Sum of cells. And the cities also if I try to put it into label. Delhi 5. So only one I'm getting loaded. Since by default it is getting loaded. On the bottom you see it is showing that 6 unknown. How much? 6 unknown it is showing for me. Okay. So just now what I will do, I just click on this unknown option and you see in this once you click on that 6 unknown options in this place, automatically you will get a special values for cities and you'll be having 3 dialog boxes here. Just click on this edit location in this place. Okay. So you'll be having option like country, region. Okay. So it has been by default selected as India. For you, if it has been selected like United States, please change it to India. Okay, and you can see the state or provinces like Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, Pune, everything are there. But only Delhi has been highlighted. Remaining under it is saying that matching location unrecognized. This Tableau can't able to recognize that particular state what I mentioned. For example, Bangalore, I want to make it to recognize. So what I have to do? So when Bangalore has to recognize means I have to mention that latitude and longitude point, exact latitude and longitude point of Bangalore, so which will match that in that place. Okay, so for small this is thing with a small map I'm telling only within India. Later I'll tell you the big map. So now see Bangalore. I want to know what is the latitude and longitude point of Bangalore. So now what you do, you open Google Chrome, take a new tab, just type latitude and longitude point for Bangalore. So it is showing like Bangalore coordinates 12.9716 north and 77.5946 on the east, right? So, but exactly I don't know in this which is latitude and longitude also. So now what I'll do, I'll come down to get the details. Can you see here? Yes, I'll confirm that here. 12977759. The latitude and longitude point. So here I'm having the latitude and longitude points. So I'll take the latitude. I just copy that. I'll come back to Tableau. I just double click on this. Click on this arrow. First here you just choose that. See here. First this one, and I click on this. I can enter the latitude longitude point in this place. But before that, it is saying some suggestions you can take that. So some suggestions I can take it in this place. Let me tell for this Bangalore as Karnataka, and for Chennai I don't have. Because whatever there is, just I'll try to fill it up. Hyderabad, anything is there nearby Hyderabad? Nothing is there. Kolkata, no. Mumbai. So Bangalore by default it has been selected here. First I'll give OK here. So you can see automatically Bangalore has been selected in this place. Karnataka. So now again five are there. So I'll go for this one. So where Chennai, in this place Chennai, in this place I can't able to find the Chennai latitude longitude point. Miss related to Chennai, any other matchings I can't able to find out. So I have to enter the latitude and longitude point. So I'll just change that Bangalore to Chennai in this place. Scroll down a little bit. I go for Tableau. First, what I have to mention latitude and longitude. So see here, I just click here. I'm giving a enter latitude longitude point. So go here back. I copy the latitude and I just paste it here. And again go back here. I copy this. No. So let me confirm whether it is that in negative or positive. So both are in positive values only. Why? Because sometimes you'll be having negative also the longitude. Minus value will come. But I don't have any minus here. So no issue. I'll just go for Tableau. Just click on OK. So automatically the latitude longitude point I've entered. Just click on OK. So automatically you can see Chennai has been highlighted here. See here, understanding if you have any unknown locations, okay, which is not automatically recognized by the Tableau, okay, in that times you can just make this recognized by Tableau, like mentioning that latitude and longitude points is one method, or one more method you'll be having an arrow mark there, and if you have any related to that place you can just add it to that, or else
Sir,
exactly if you want. Yes, tell me ma.
sir,
Tell me ma. Hello, I'm hearing ma, please tell me. Hello, so can you do it again? Okay ma, okay, okay.
sir, can you do it again?
Yeah, I will do. Okay, so now
Can
Chennai we
you do it
added.
again?
Yeah, I'll do, ma. I'll do. Okay, we will do for another city. Okay. Again, see what I added. I loaded here something. I'll unpin this. So Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai. So three state has been loaded, and it is saying that still four unknown states are there. But or four unknown values are there in this geographical location. So what I will do, I'll just click on this for unknown. So automatically I'm having this option. A dialog box appears on my screen. Okay. So in this place, edit locations. Correct the unknown locations. This particular box, you just click it out. Once you click that, so you can see still here Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, Pune. All that four are saying that it is a unrecognized. When I click on that, if you click on this arrow mark, you can see anything related to Hyderabad, Telangana, we can take it. Okay, like this. So automatically Hyderabad will be highlighted. Related I have taken. So exactly nothing is there. Again I click in the same place, edit location for Kolkata or Mumbai. So Mumbai means something is there in Mumbai. I don't know anything like that. So what I'll do, nothing is there. So I have to exactly enter Mumbai. So I have to get the latitude or longitude point of Mumbai. Latitude and longitude point of Mumbai. So what I will do, I'll go for Google here. Just change latitude and longitude point of Mumbai. Okay. So once if I click on this, automatically it is showing the coordinates here itself. But I can't able to understand the coordinates which is there here. So why? Because I can't able to find it which is latitude longitude. So in that case, what I will do here, I'll come scroll little down here. Here they will be showing that what is the latitude longitude. Mumbai, Maharashtra, I think both are same, right? You can do it like that also, not a problem. So if you select there Maharashtra, it will be fine. But I'll take this latitude part. I'll just copy this latitude, come to Tableau, click on this, click on this arrow mark, click on this enter a latitude or longitude point and paste that latitude. And longitude, I copy it from here. Okay. Okay. So I enter the latitude longitude point. Just I click on OK now. See exactly Mumbai latitude points I have mentioned. So it has been marked here. So only two are left here now. So if you know anything nearby Pune, you can mention it here. Nearby Gujarat, Haryana, I'll give like Haryana. I'll give. Simply I'm giving. And Kolkata, uh, I'll give like Kolkata, Maharashtra. Like this. So now exactly all that has been located. This is a small map where we can exactly match out. So when, as I told you, when Tableau cannot recognize that locations are state, so then manually you can edit or enter this latitude parts and you can place the locations. Clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yeah. So this is one small one. Same thing like you can go with for US and another China also you can do it. So it's a very small map. Okay. Now just I'll close this one. Don't want to close. Okay, I'll close it because if I take new one, it'll take more memory. I'll go for Microsoft Excel and take the global super suite 2016 itself. Just click on done, right? So next I'll go for order sheet in this place. Close that one and take a new connection of global superstore. Now go for the sheet view. So here we don't have any problem. So why I took that one is simple method. That is, if I have like normal text, but there I'm having the cities actually, but it has been not turned into global. So how I have to do that particular option? So for that one, we went to that place. Is one and one more small view it will make you to understand. So I went to that particular data. And now here as usual we are taking the long data itself, the large data. So I can take like country or city or state, anything. I'll go with the states. Right, it's getting loaded, and I'll just mark the state into label also. So you can see here Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab. So all these places are locating here. Even in this place, I'm having more like this also. Just click on this option. Same option, edit locations. You can just make this. So people who are using this data, I work for you automatically. Some for some of you, this type of data, India map would have been generated, and for some of you, US means entire world map would have been generated. So rise that just tell me from whom and all you are not getting this type of map. Anyone are there? So I'm not getting India map. I'm getting another map. Anyone are there?
yes, sir.
Okay. Well, you're getting like wait, I'll show you. You're getting like one more United States, right?
Yes,
Yeah, yeah, I'll show you how to change. So if I take country like this, it will come. So it will be more complicated for us to do right now. But it's easiest only, but same thing only. Country we are having more data. So that's why I'm going with the state. So now I'll tell you ma for you how to change it to other place. Take state label. For you, you'll be getting automatically US and there everything would have been loaded. Okay. So now what you have to do in that place, Noma, you just click on this, something unknown will be there, right? You just click on this place. Click on that unknown. and just click on the edit location. Done now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you see the country and region? What is there in this your laptop?
United States.
United States. Just click it and change it to India.
Sir. Sir.
Done. So after selecting that, give OK and then please check it out.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Getting right? Yeah. So now here, as I told you, these are all that. Again, I just want to go through this one. If you want, just I'll tell you that here are the which are the unknown. If you want, you can change it in this place. Okay, you can make the changes. Once again, ಹೌದಾ ಹಾಂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಡಿ ಡ್ರೈವ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಅನನ್ಯ ಅದು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಅದು 4 ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಇತ್ತು ಆ ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಹಂಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ ಡಿ ಡ್ರೈವಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅನನ್ಯ ಅಂತಲೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಯಾವುದು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೌದು ಡಿ ಡ್ರೈವ್ಗೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅನನ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಯಾವ್ದು ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಡೆಲಿಟ್ಲ ಬಂದರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಡಿ ಡ್ರೈವಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಂ ಅದೇ ಇನ್ನೂ 2 3 ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಬೇರೆ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಯಾವುದು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕೂಡ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ okay sorry so here as I told you if you want like anything these are other countries I think if you want you can just make it here so I make it stated here 1077 issues are there that you neglect it right because different are coming here if you want you can just make it however I told you with the latitude longitude parts just exit as okay so now next what I wanted here right I'll show you that for example first I'll go to this worksheet here just click on the worksheet in this place once if you click on the worksheet so can you see an option called as action just click on this action here so you'll be having a dialog box like this okay so I'm going to tell you why we are going to use this so that is nothing but action and url we are talking about what actions and url so what is the actions and url first I'll tell you so when I click on add action you can see you'll be having a url so first I'll tell you why that I'm doing for example let me take Gujarat you think so I'll go for Google I'll type here Gujarat. So when I type Gujarat and slightly come down, scroll down, come down, can you see Wikipedia? Just click this. Gujarat Wikipedia is there, right? So I want when I click on Gujarat, when I click on Gujarat, automatically I want this page to be loaded. Understanding? So now what I will do, I'll just copy this link. Do right click, copy the link here. You're open, right? Just do double click and select all that. Copy the link. Please let me know if you have any doubts in this. Hello. Please let me know now if you have any doubts in this copying the link.
No, sir.
All right. I hope all of you know that how to copy the link or not. Okay. So now copy the link and go back to Tableau. Okay. Again, go for a worksheet view. Just click on that add caption option. Sorry. Add caption is a different one. Action. Just click on the action. Just you'll be having an option here add action. Just please click on that add action and you'll be having some of the options like filter, highlight, go to sheet, parameter, change values. Okay, these are all normal one. Just you'll be having an option called as go to URL. Just click on that option. Click done.
Done, sir.
Yeah. So now hyperlink is there. The name. Okay, if you want, you can change the name. I should have changed the sheet name also. Not an issue. The sheet name is there here. On right side, run action on is there. Here actually I'll select the option called as select here. Okay, so please paste that URL what you copied that to this place. Done. So then I'll give OK and OK. For Gujarat I created. Now I'll go to Google also. For your clarification, I'll close off this tab. So I'm having like only Xerox. I don't have any other things here. Okay, so I'll go back again to Tableau. Just I will click on this what Gujarat. You can see if I click on Madhya Pradesh, what is happening? Gujarat. Suppose if I click on Gujarat, I'm getting Gujarat. So I created for Gujarat, I'm getting for Gujarat. And if I click for Madhya Pradesh also, I'm getting the same for Gujarat. And if I take for Manipur, so actually what is happening? I created one link, it is right. What when I click on Gujarat, it is going to Gujarat is okay for me. But whenever I click on any state, directly it is taking me to Gujarat. So why? Because of one reason, this one. The entire URL, that uniform resource locator, that entire URL I pasted in that link. So what happens? This will be automatically enabled or activated for the all the states. So now I want to make a small change, very simple. What I wanted is actually whenever I click on Madhya Pradesh, I have to get for Madhya Pradesh automatically. Whenever I click on Rajasthan, I should get for Rajasthan automatically. So now it's very simple. I have to just make that not Gujarat. Instead of this, here I have to make like state or country, whatever it is. So actually, these are all states. So now what you do, just click on worksheet. Again, go for actions. Okay, select that hyperlink one, which is there here, and please click on that edit option. You will be getting to this one. Here, please erase out the Gujarat. erase out the Gujarat like this. Okay. Now again what I will do, I'll just click on this arrow mark. This right side on arrow mark is the right arrow mark. So you can see all the fields of my Excel file will be listed out here. So actually that is nothing but state. So I will select the state here. I'll select the option called as what? State. So you can see here state. Now just I click on OK. Now again I'll go back here. I'll close all the Gujarat or whatever it is there. I'll come back. I'll just click on Karnataka. What has happened? Automatically it is getting entered into Karnataka. Right? Same like that you try to just click on any other, see what is happening. The same Karnataka is getting located or any different. Check it out.
Yes, sir, it's working.
Yeah. So that is what the advantage of this tool what we are using. Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. So now what if I wanted? I don't want to click on that. I don't want to click on that. Okay. Just one second. So here I don't want to click and open. Okay. So what actually I wanted is when I just instead of clicking and opening here one more option I want to get it out. So I'll take the sales. I'll take and I will drop it into labels. I think it will be not looking fine. Let's try like this. Okay, not that much is not like that. Okay, fine. So now what I'll do next, I don't want to click on to visit that. Instead of clicking, I should have one more step here where I'll be having an option. So just go for that information about that country or a state like that. So again, you go for the worksheet. Again, click on action. Again, select the hyperlink. Click on edit. Okay, so once you do click on edit, you will be having an option called as here menu. You'll be having an option called as what? Menu. Just click on that menu option, select that menu, and just do as right. So now when I click on this country, sorry, in state, now automatically I'm not getting redirected to any state or any pages of that web page. Now what I have to do is just click on this. You can see hyperlink one. So what I do instead of this hyperlink one, I'll make that name into different. Select edit. The hyperlink, the name is not mentioned. So now when I click on this, I'm having a text called as hyperlink information. So when I just go for this information, automatically I'll be getting that hand symbol. That is nothing but link selection tool. Just when I click on that tool, the same thing only, nothing is different. Same thing in a different way. Same thing in a different way. It has been taken.
Please
Understood,
show
right?
again, sir.
Yeah, yeah, I'll show you. Which one, ma? I have renamed that one or
The last one, sir.
okay, like hanging, yeah. Okay, so I'll show you
Yes,
here.
sir.
Click on worksheet, click on worksheet, click on action, select that first one, click on edit. If you have the same name hyperlink, please rename that into anything you wanted. And previously, you would have been having the option called as select in this place. Here. Now, after renaming this, instead of select, you select the option called as menu. Don't go for select, you go for what? Menu. Click on this menu, select the menu, and just click on OK. It's very simple. And then just click on OK. Now, if I select, click on that information or whatever the name you are given, so automatically it will be loaded. Getting
Yes, sir.
good. So good, cool. So now what you do, uh, the same thing continuity with the dashboard, how we can do it. I'll show you. Okay, for that place when I'm doing in a dashboard, I may get some error in that place. Okay, if I take the same sheet, I may not get error. So what I will do, okay, I will do the same thing only. If anyone gets error, you just tell me that. I'll show you that. Okay, that I'll just continue after a small break. Because for others, when they are working in that, they'll be getting an error. Okay, so sometimes you will not get error because already we have activated the link in this place, so that in that place directly will not get any problem. Okay, that's why. So I'll take if you want a new sheet also. I open a new one. So that's that one. We will continue after a small break. Okay, take 5 minutes break. After
Sir,
that, continue. Yes, tell me more.
tomorrow the Tableau license is going to expire, sir. So again,
Tomorrow
we
is
are
again.
supposed to download.
Tomorrow class is going to expire. Now.
Yeah.
Tomorrow is our last class. Again, if you want to install, I told on that
Okay.
day only, please install. I told that I send the link, install. If you have any doubts, you send me. I given the class recordings. I'll try to. If you have any problem, you just send a screenshot while you're having problem. I'll just connect to any desk and I'll solve the problem and
Okay,
give you.
sir.
Okay.
So when you are going to conduct exam, sir?
That will be informed. Now. That will be informed to
Okay,
the
sir.
group when it will be there or by the college coordinator. It will be informed. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I have a missed break. I have some snacks. I'll be back. Okay.
Sir, it will be informed before 2 days, no, sir?
What, ma?
Exam will be informed before 2 days, no, sir?
I hope it will be informed before 2 days only. It will be not given suddenly. 2 3 days before only they will inform.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
I'll come back. Okay. Later one about this created. That has been created. So again, I do here the same connecting the document. I take the orders. I do those orders. I same the states.
ಅವನಿಗೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ತಗೋ ಅಂತ C++ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮು
ಅವರು ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ ಇದ್ರೆ
ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಟ್ರು ಅಂತ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರ್ತಿದಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ₹100 ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ನೀನು ನಾನು
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಕೇಳಿದೆ
ಇದು ಯಾ
ಆ ಹುಡುಗಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಕುಳ್ಳುಕಿರೋ ಸರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಗುಣಶೇಖರ್ ಅವ್ರ
ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದು
ಏನಿದ್ರು ಇವಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಕಟ್ಟಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಫೀಸ್ನ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆನೆ ಯೋಗೇಶ್ ಹತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಲೆಟರ್ ದುಡ್ಡು
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್
ಈಗ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನಂತೆ ಬರೀ ಹೊಡೆದಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಹುಷಾರ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ
Okay, so now again I'll take the sales, the labels, and state. So here I just again if I click on this, automatically it was loading that. So now what I will go, just I'll create like this. Now I'll go for the dashboard here. I'll go for the dashboard. So can you see in this space, create new dashboard. Click on this dashboard. Click on this dashboard. So once you click on dashboard, dashboard is nothing but how many sheets you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 sheets. How many sheets you have? All the sheets you can present in one place. That is what actually called as dashboard here. I have 5 sheets. I can place the 5 sheets in this one place. I can maximize which one I want small, which one I want big, like that and all. I'll tell you that deep of the dashboard later. Okay, dashboard is nothing but understand. Okay, so where we are previewing all the collection of sheets in one place, where we can preview all the collection of the sheets, whatever you have done, everything can be previewed in one place, that is the dashboard. And you can choose this which and all sheets you want in one dashboard, which and all sheets you want in one more dashboard and all. Because the sheets and all will be given in the left side. So which and all you drag and drop, like you drag and drop it like this, Okay, so if I have 10 sheets, which end of sheets I'm dragging and dropping, that will be created as a dashboard. Done. So I've created like
Sir,
this.
can you
Tell me
show
now.
once again, sir?
Yeah, yeah, I will
Uh,
suppose.
After clicking for dashboard, what you are saying?
See here, this is the sheet view. This is a plus 4 boxes there, right? Click on the dashboard. The left side, the sheet is there. See. Just click, drag and drop it here. Drag it. Just double click, bring it and drop it here.
Done, sir.
Yeah. Done. So now again here what I have to do is same thing. Okay, so what is that advantage of doing that, and here I'll show you that. Okay, first thing, dashboard. Click on the dashboard, click on actions. Where? Click on the dashboard, click on the action. Add action and go for go to URL. Same thing here. Now only I'll make it as a information. Select or menu anything you can choose it. And the URL I'll just paste it. I don't know whether the same URL is there or not. Yeah, the URL is there, same thing. Okay, I'll just click on OK. Okay, see, actually, when I click on this arrow mark, here I'm getting the state, so I don't have any problem if I erase this one also. Erase and click on this arrow mark, I can add states. Sometimes what happens, right? When you click on this arrow mark, you will be not having that particular option called as what? State. Okay, that is a problem. So I'll tell you how to add that also. Now I added, I'm having the state, so I added, so click on add. So you see in the left side, you'll be having one more option called as web page. You just click on this web page. Left side, these are web page. You just click on this web page. You can just paste the URL here also. Just click on this page. See here. Here I'm not having what? That state. So when you don't have state, that time I have to enable it in this place. Clear? So that what happens automatically when you paste the link here, you'll be having that options. So where we have already created, sir. So that we don't, first I'll just give us OK. First see, once if I give OK, what is happening? On the right side, you can see automatically, once I create the link, Karnataka has been created. So you, if you want to move like bottom, you can move it. But we have only two. So two pans are only available. One is right side, one is left side. So now when I click on Andhra Pradesh, so I'm not getting anything like this here. It's not, okay, it's getting hanging. We have to get it. First I remove. First I remove this. First I click web page. Just place the link here. I'll erase this. Okay. So automatically the Wikipedia, the main page will be inserted here, and nothing will be posted here. Like any state or anything will be not here mentioned here. and here this said this will be there. And the dashboard, I have made it the action like this, saying the state and selecting option. Okay. So now I click wherever I wanted. When I click on that place, automatically you can see on the right side it is getting loaded. Can you see? So, right, I'm making the user to not go each and every minute to the place, because each and every time, as a user, I'm telling I don't want to go each and every time to see that information into the Google. So I don't want to go for Google page. So I want everything to be here. So when I click on this place, and on the right side, I can see the information. Whatever I click, so that the right side automatically load the details. So if you have any cloud based, for example, all the country records has been entered and everything has been maintained in a cloud. Okay, so I want to see on the right side depth of that all the entries in the web in the cloud are ongoing or whatever is there which is publicly done in the website. So when I click on that automatically for that particular store or particular product or category, whatever it is that Google page will go automatically there and it will show you that. So this is what the advantage of using the dashboard linking displays. Understanding? They're getting this one now. Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So again, same thing that we have seen this place. Sometimes, as I told you, some and the last class also I told you, right? This place. I'm selecting right like this. When I select like this, for example, for these three or two places, I'm just selecting this. Just making go. I'm going to make it a group. Okay, so these four stages are falls under something like group one or exporting like this, right? So this creating a set of this four and make it like this. Okay, so this together will be created as one group. Okay, so where you can use it in any places, saying that one group will be automatically created. So when I take this states into colors, yeah, so this place it will be helpful. So like this I'm going to create only this much. So that's exact what is the existing group. I'll first delete it. So this view is fine for this one. Right click, group it. So when I do right click on group, you can see these are all together considered as one group and remaining are in the other partitions. And just take this one and I do right click and I create a one more group for this. I'm not renaming, directly I'm creating a group so that you can see that in this place, group 1, group 2 will be created. So this is one group and this is one group. So two groups are there. Okay. So wherever you wanted to create a groups like this, so you can use the option to create the groups. So it will be useful for you to understand Okay, these are some portions, these are some portions. Okay, so it will be helpful for others. So in any cases, you cannot just think it out, however it will be helpful others. Only for these four states are exporting some fruits. These four are full of like ions. Okay, these three states full of like apples. Like you can group it. So most of the products, these four will be together one. Or these four are be maintaining by one person. So anything, these four are by one company. Anything, you can just group them and you can name it however you want it. So this can be created in this case.
Sir, can you do that again, sir?
Yeah, I'll just do it. See here. Just, just right click and delete that groups. So go back. See, previously I was in this place. Okay, symbol map. So now I went for the maps, just maps, so that where I'm getting for the same map, this type of changes. So symbol map, I can't execute that type of differentiations. It will be little difficult to execute. So that's why I went to the maps view. Just I selected like this. So how I selected, I told you already in the last class. Just click on this arrow mark to the left side, the map options. You select this radial or any of the lasso selections or rectangular selections, so that I selected like this. I go for this place and I am having the option called as this group, this one. Just click on this group, or else what you do, just do a right click on this place, directly open that will be better option. Okay, and again which one are you wanted. So you can create how many groups you want. So you can see this like different. You can see some any in the places when I had the movies also, when they highlight, they'll be highlighting. They're showing that these are the areas or these are the borders. Something they'll be showing, right? So you can highlight like this. These are the places like a yellow or banana or red or like something whatever you want to show them. You can just highlight them. So like you can see, just you can rename these places. Very analysis. I can say Andhra, Karnataka are like fruit names I give. The places where yes, they cultivate more banana, these places. And then edit, right click, edit analysis. And Bihar, that places are, I know what is famous in these places. I guess like iron. And I do right click, and these places are, I'll get like, so like this. So these are all textiles. Banana, iron. The portion which will be helpful to, very useful one to highlight the portions. Can create one, two. So when our individual, we don't need to worry because automatically only it will be showing when I drop the colors, that gradient colors will be coming, so you don't have any problem with that. When we are grouping that, it will be very useful. I'm saying that. Clear, right? Is that clear for everyone, ma?
Yes, sir.
Good. So now, okay, so Now, so last one concept is that we have to some slightly explain about deep about dashboard. Remaining everything are over. I told in the last class only. So please, everyone go from the first to last. So just overview. I'll just tell you that any doubts is there in the last class I told. Have you gone through all that from beginning? Have you gone through all that from the beginning? Is there any doubts? Please confirm anyone. If you have any doubts in that from previous classes from the starting, if you have any doubts, please tell me.
No, sir.
No? Others? Okay. Just ask them some
No, sir.
questions. Okay, okay. No, you're right. If you have to just select some questions and just answer. Just be ready to answer my questions. Very simple questions only I will ask. I will not ask you tough questions. The name list, I am trying to ask questions. The name list not visible for me. All your name list. Yeah, okay. This view only I'll ask. Meghna, you are there? Meghna? Meghna? Akshata, you are there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me what is the shortcut key to swap the axis? What is the shortcut key to use to swap the axis?
Sir, can you hear me?
Please tell me, ma. Tell
Sir?
me, Meghna. Tell me,
Sir,
Meghna.
it's control W.
Okay, good. So the next question, which tool is used to, or which tool in the Tableau making that to give a exact graphical visualizations? Which tool is using, we are using the Tableau or Tableau, which tool Tableau uses to create for a users to give a better graphical interface or graphical chart or map? Which language that, or which tool is giving that graphical view or exact map or whatever you can take it. And select some particular records automatically. Tableau will be giving like column chart, bar chart, or map something. So which tool in the background which is helping me to do like that?
Sir, is it the show me tool?
No, no, no. That show me only which tool is helping me to automatically generate that show me options. Sometimes when I do double click, automatically the chart will be created. I will not go for just to show me only. I told the order, measures and dimension wise. If I go, automatically create. So which tool is there in the background helping me to do like that or used to create
Sir,
like that?
is it some?
No.
So in the measures, when we
Stop.
double click here, we will get it.
Yeah, who is working in the background? I think last class also I told. So whenever I create a map, the viscule, remember viscule, the query language which is automatically generating that, which is a perfect visual effect for us. Visual structured query language. Visual. So measures are there in which colors?
Green color.
Green.
Green color.
What is the
Green, sir.
difference? Okay, what is the difference between the measures and dimensions? Except colors, you tell me any other options. Okay, don't want it. So what is the difference between the discrete and continuous?
Discrete is dimensions and measures is continuous.
Okay, other than that, when I take a date field, what is the difference between the discrete and continuous? So which will be aggregated and one will be not aggregated. That means discrete will be separated and continuous will be not separated, will be extended. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, not we should not very good. All of you are giving us right answers. Okay, I'll go that through once some quick questions which and I'll be there the next class, not now today. Next class I'll show that from our question paper I'll take some questions and I'll ask you. Let's see what I'll answer you for that. Okay, so the tomorrow will be our last class, ma. So I'll be ending with the dashboards. Then we'll have some conversations, and then we'll go with some questions and answers. So I have any doubts and all, we also go through once. Then we'll end the session of tomorrow's. Okay. So now for today's session, just please tell me the attendance. I think already test me open. Rajna,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Vara,
Present, sir.
Bindu. I think today all of us are present.
Present.
Pooja,
Present, sir.
Sanjana,
Present, sir.
Sarik, Dawood, Sarik, Dawood, Sajjad Sharma, Sajjad Sharma,
Present, sir.
Chaitra,
Present, sir.
Anjana,
Present, sir.
Anjana, Sultana Maskan, Sultana, Sultana, absent. Harmain, Harmain,
Present, sir.
Vibha,
Present, sir.
Akila Fatima,
Present, sir.
Vibha present. Manvi, Manavi Tanwar,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Akshata,
Present, sir.
Maria,
Present, sir.
Meghna, Meghana. Smita.
Present, sir.
So Meghna present, sir.
Okay, ma. Okay, bye everyone. We will see in the next session. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.